Imagine a world where AI-powered robots process complex data in real-time. Autonomous vehicles make split-second decisions with absolute precision, and smart cities function with near-perfect efficiency. What if I told you that this future isn't decades away? It's already here. At the heart of this technological revolution is NVIDIA's latest breakthrough, the Jetson THOR AI computer. This cutting-edge machine is set to redefine the limits of AI computing, robotics, and edge AI applications. The world is moving at an unprecedented pace towards full-scale AI integration, and companies that embrace this technology early will have a significant advantage. With AI becoming the backbone of automation, deep learning, and real-time decision-making, having the right hardware is more critical than ever. Enter the NVIDIA Jetson THOR, an AI supercomputer that brings industry-leading performance, efficiency, and scalability to robotics, self-driving cars, industrial automation, and edge computing. Welcome to our channel, your ultimate source for cutting-edge tech innovations. If you're passionate about AI, robotics, and next-gen computing, then you're in the right place. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our deep dives into the world of advanced technology. Now let's explore why the NVIDIA Jetson THOR is the game-changer AI has been waiting for. What is the NVIDIA Jetson THOR? NVIDIA's Jetson series has long been the gold standard in AI computing for edge devices, robotics, and automation. But with the Jetson THOR, they've taken things to a whole new level. The NVIDIA Jetson THOR is an AI supercomputer designed for high-performance computing, HPC, robotics, smart factories, autonomous machines, and AI-driven applications at the edge. It brings unmatched power, efficiency, and deep learning capabilities to developers, researchers, and industries worldwide. At its core, the Jetson THOR integrates advanced GPUs, CPUs, and dedicated AI accelerators, all optimized for running AI inference models at lightning speed. This means it can process vast amounts of data in real time, making it a game changer for self-driving cars, drones, smart surveillance, and industrial automation. Unlike traditional AI chips that rely heavily on cloud processing, Jetson THOR delivers edge computing capabilities that reduce latency, increase security, and improve response times for AI-driven applications. This is especially crucial for robotics, healthcare technology, and smart infrastructure, where real-time decision-making can mean the difference between success and failure. Key specs that set Jetson THOR apart. The Jetson THOR is a power-packed AI computing device that comes with several next-gen features. Cutting-edge GPU architecture. One of the standout features of Jetson THOR is its advanced GPU architecture that supports ray tracing, AI-enhanced graphics, and deep learning acceleration. With tensor cores designed for neural network training and inference, this AI powerhouse can handle everything from real-time object detection to complex AI model execution. ARM-based CPU for maximum efficiency. At its heart, Jetson THOR features an ARM-based CPU designed for multi-core processing for seamless multitasking, optimized power efficiency for embedded systems, AI acceleration that reduces latency in machine learning tasks. The ARM architecture also ensures low power consumption, making it an ideal solution for applications where energy efficiency is crucial, such as autonomous robots, smart drones, and IoT devices. Dedicated AI accelerators for real-time performance. One of the biggest advantages of Jetson THOR is its dedicated AI accelerators that enhance deep learning model execution. These accelerators enable real-time AI inference for robotics and automation, support for frameworks like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and ONNX, faster execution of AI workloads with minimal delay. With these features, Jetson THOR can run AI applications with lightning-fast response times. Whether it's detecting pedestrians for self-driving cars or identifying defective products in a smart factory, high-speed memory, and connectivity. Jetson THOR is equipped with high-bandwidth LPDDR memory for faster data processing, PCIe Gen 4 support for rapid data transfer, 5G Wi-Fi 6 compatibility for cloud-connected AI applications. With these high-speed memory and connectivity options, AI-driven systems can operate efficiently even in high-demand environments like industrial automation and smart surveillance. Why Jetson THOR is a game changer for AI and robotics. The Jetson THOR isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution. It brings groundbreaking improvements in robotics, autonomous vehicles, industrial automation, and AI-driven gaming. Transforming robotics with real-time AI. For robotics, Jetson THOR provides ultra-fast AI inference for real-time decision-making, superior edge computing to reduce reliance on cloud processing, advanced USLAM, simultaneous localization and mapping for autonomous navigation. Whether it's humanoid robots, warehouse automation, or robotic arms in smart factories, Jetson THOR enhances precision and efficiency. Revolutionizing autonomous vehicles. In the realm of autonomous vehicles, the Jetson THOR enables real-time object detection for safer navigation, AI-enhanced sensor fusion for LiDAR, radar, and camera feeds, predictive AI models for handling complex environments, self-driving technology demands split-second decision-making, and Jetson THOR ensures safer, smarter, and more efficient autonomous systems, advancing AI-powered industrial automation. The industrial sector will also benefit immensely from Jetson THOR. Smart factories are increasingly dependent on AI-driven automation to reduce human intervention, predictive maintenance to prevent costly downtimes, computer vision-based quality control for improved production accuracy. With Jetson THOR's advanced computing power, factories can optimize efficiency, reduce errors, and improve overall productivity, elevating AI-enhanced gaming and simulations. Beyond robotics and automation, Jetson THOR is set to revolutionize AI-powered gaming by enabling AI-assisted game development for dynamic storytelling, real-time deep learning models for NPC interactions, AI-enhanced ray tracing for lifelike graphics. Gamers and developers alike will benefit from AI-generated content, immersive simulations, and next-gen game engines powered by AI. NVIDIA's vision for the future. With Jetson THOR, NVIDIA is paving the way for a new era of AI computing. The company envisions a future where AI is seamlessly integrated into everyday life. AI adoption is accelerating globally, with industries leveraging AI-powered healthcare solutions for faster diagnoses, smart cities with AI-driven infrastructure for optimized urban planning, sustainable computing through low-power AI processing. From AI-generated content creation to machine learning applications in space technology, the potential of Jetson THOR is limitless. The AI supercomputer of tomorrow is here. The NVIDIA Jetson THOR isn't just a piece of hardware, it's the future. From autonomous vehicles and robotics to smart cities and AI-driven industries, this AI supercomputer is redefining what's possible. If you're an AI enthusiast, developer, or just someone excited about the future, you don't want to miss out on this revolution. But now, we want to hear from you. What's the most exciting application of the Jetson THOR in your opinion? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like this video to support more tech content, subscribe to channel name for more cutting-edge AI discussions, hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest tech innovations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.